Namaskar to everyone. Today, in the part 2 of Alice in Wonderland, we are going to discuss about the question and answer session. Earlier in part 1, we have already discussed about the story of Alice, the story of Strange Rabbit, the story of rabbit holes, the story of beautiful garden. So, let's start discussing the question and answer part. The first one is, while listening to the story, what did Alice see? While listening the story from the sister, what Alice see? And the answer is, while listening to the story, Alice saw a white rabbit. Alice saw a white rabbit. The next one, what was different about the rabbit that Alice saw? When Alice saw the rabbit was completely different from the other rabbit. And what was the different points in the rabbit? The different about the rabbit was, first one, it was wearing a blue coat. It was wearing a blue coat. It could speak. Even the rabbit was able to speak. It had pink eyes. It had pink eyes, and at the same time, it had a big watch also taking. That's why the rabbit was completely different from the other rabbit. The next one, where did the rabbit go? Where did the rabbit go? The rabbit went into a deep rabbit hole. The rabbit went into a deep rabbit hole as the rabbit lives in the rabbit hole. How did Alice reach Wonderland? How did Alice reach Wonderland? By following the rabbit, Alice jumped into the rabbit hole, thus reached the Wonderland. Means when Alice followed the rabbit, he jumped into the rabbit hole, for which he reached at Wonderland. The next one, what strange things did Alice see there? In the Wonderland, what strange things Alice saw? Alice saw a very small door about 15 inches high. Alice further saw a glass table on which a golden key was lying. Means Alice saw a small door of 15 inches. At the same time, there was a glass table on which a golden key was lying. Next one, describe in your own words that garden that Alice saw. You have to describe in your own words. You have to use your own sentences to describe what Alice saw in the garden. For example, it was the most beautiful garden that Alice had seen in her life. There were various colored flowers in the garden. The fragrance was very attractive. The garden also had fountains. So, for example, I have written few sentences. You can describe in your own words. You can write as much as you can want. The next one, draw the garden of your dreams. You have to draw one garden of your own dreams. Means what type of pictures you want in a garden. You can draw using your own imaginations. For example, I have taken here one picture. You can see here. This is the garden of my dreams, that I dream that I should have this type of garden in our house. For example, you can also draw the garden of your own dreams. The next one, the rabbit had, here are three options are there. The rabbit had white eyes, big eyes, pink eyes. We have to select the right answer, and the right answer is the rabbit had pink eyes. Who was burning with curiosity? Alice, the rabbit, children. The right answer is Alice. Who fell down and down and down? Alice, a mouse, or the rabbit? The right answer is the rabbit. As the rabbit was falling down and down, Alice was simply following her. Who said, "Oh my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting"? The right answer is the rabbit. After reaching in the Wonderland, the rabbit said, "Oh my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting." The next one, the garden Alice saw was big, lovely and small. The right answer is lovely. The garden Elisa was lovely. Come to the next part. Let's write find one word from the story. That means you have to find another word of the same meaning. For example, you can see to walk fast. To walk fast, there was a word in the chapter, that is the right answer is hurry. It will start with H. To walk fast means hurry. You have to take the words from the lesson only. The next one, to think. The word will start with W. Let's guess. The right answer is wonder. Alice was wondering. Alice was thinking. The next one, happy. I have already told in this sessions. It will start with D. And the right answer is delight. Means happy. Let's write in the next part, to be seen nowhere. To be invisible. To be invisible. And the right answer is, you can guess also, the right answer is disappear, as the rabbit got disappeared. The next one, at once. The answer will start with Q, and the answer is quickly, as the rabbit moved quickly. The next one, move fast, and the word will start with S. Scamper, as the rabbit was scampering, moving fast towards the rabbit hole. So, to be inquisitive means the word is start with C. To interested to know very new things. For example, curious, as the Alice was curious about knowing many things about the rabbit. Curious, the another word is inquisitive. Now, next come to the next part. Give another word of similar and opposite meanings. You have to write the meaning of the word, given word. At the same time, you have to write the opposite of the given word, and you have to frame sentence for both the words. Let's start. You can see here word, the similar word and the opposite word. Again, you have to write sentence. For example, the word is lovely here, the similar word is attractive, and the opposite word is nasty. So let me frame sentence first with attractive. Sheila's dress was very attractive. And the opposite of attractive is nasty. Rekha had nasty nature. The same thing, talking, another word, chatting, and the opposite word is silent. Arun was chatting on the computer. This is the sentence frame for chatting. And the silent, the class was silent. Next part, listening. The similar word of listening is hearing, and the opposite word is speaking. Father was hearing the news on the mobile, and the speaking, mother was speaking to me. See, the another word, look at, and opposite word is ignore. Look at the beautiful picture, and the for ignore, rabbit ignored Alice. Center means core, at the center. Center of India, it is Madhya Pradesh, and border is for Jammu, Rajasthan, all are in the border. Prime Minister addressed the core problem of Corona. You have seen many times PM addressed the nation about the problems of Corona. And the border, the BSF, that is Border Security Force, they live at the border of our country to save the nation from the enemy. Next one, imagine you are going on a journey to the center of the earth. What do you think you will see? What would you feel if you are going deeper into the earth? What you will see and what you will feel? You can imagine, you can write up your own words. For example, I have written few words here. I would see rocks, dust, soil, water, mud, solid rocks, and hot liquid metals inside the earth. As we know that all these are there in the earth. With the increasing depth, the temperature of the interior of the earth would also increase. If you will go deeper into the earth, the temperature will also increase. So you can write up your own what you would see, what you would feel. The next one, Rearrange the words to make the questions that Alice has in her mind and put a question mark. Rearrange the words. Talk, rabbit, a, how can. You have to rearrange the words and you have to frame a question. For example, talk, rabbit, a, how can. How can a rabbit talk? How can a rabbit talk? And the question mark. Next one, going he is where. Going he is where. And the answer is where is he going? Where is he going? And put a question mark there. The next one, read he can times the. And the answer is can he read the time? Can he read the time? Put a question mark there. The next one, hurry is in a why he. And the answer is why is he in a hurry? Why is he in a hurry? So these are the parts of question answer discussion of Alice in Wonderland. We have already discussed about the question answer. Very soon I will share the writing work of this video in this comment box. You can give your feedback in the comment box. At the same time, you can visit my blog superkvns.blogspot.com, and if you have any queries or doubts, you can write to akm.kvs@gmail.com. So thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Bye and have a nice day.